Okay, this is going to be a guide on how to use the Ironbark's Endwalker raid planning database that I've kind of been building up and collecting names for. A lot of people have contacted me kind of interested on what's the best way to use it, and I'm going to kind of go through how I use it so that you can kind of take the tips and tricks that I use to better benefit you. Bottom line is I use Excel, and by doing that, I can create filters, so I can filter out people that don't meet my raid requirements when I'm looking for someone specific. And what that ultimately allows is it allows you to find the people who meet your raid goals and your scheduling criteria faster and easier so that you can raid with them. So let's talk about how to do that. So the link, this is the link here. I keep it updated on my Discord server, but anybody can DM me and I will send it to them. But you click on it, it'll open up in your browser, and you can see it has all this data here on all these different people, on what their goals are, when they can raid, what's their time availability, and any comments they have. Well, obviously not all of these people are going to meet your criteria because of time zones and whatnot, so we need a way to filter that out. So the best way to do that, I found, is to use Excel. So the way I do it is I come up here to File, I click File, I click Download, I click Microsoft Excel, and then once it opens, once it downloads, I go ahead and open it up, and now I'm in an Excel spreadsheet, and I have all the data in an Excel spreadsheet that I can manipulate. So the first thing I do is I come up and I click the corner, which selects the entire spreadsheet, and I change the font from Arial to Calibri, because the Arial font is for villains. And once that's done, I go ahead to the Data tab and I select Filter, and that puts these filter tabs across in row 1 in each column, so I can now filter by every single one of these variables. The other thing that's good to do is to, again, select the entire tab, click Sort, and choose in-game, what is your in-game name, because what that'll do is that allows you to see the duplicate entries. People can sign up for this as many times as they want and update their entries. Like if their schedule changes, so let's say this person signed up on the 18th of September, but his work schedule changed and he had to change his he had to update his form sign up. Well, he probably just submitted a new entry, so I would delete these two and I would just go with his most recent one, because that's going to have the most accurate data for his schedule. So once I've done that, now I'm in the perfect position where I can filter. I can recognize duplicate entries, and I can filter it based off of the criteria that I'm looking for. So let's say that I want to build a raid group that is two times a week group, and is specifically Tuesday, Thursday. Okay, so I would come over to this. What kind of group are you interested in? I'd click the drop down, and I would deselect every set of entries that did not have 2 times a week. So these people are only 3 times a week, so I deselect that. These people are 3 times a week, but they're also 2 times a week, so I'm going to keep that. This is a hardcore group. Nope, I don't. They're only interested in hardcore. This group is hardcore or 3 times a week, but not 2 times a week. And this last group is everybody. But every single one of these entries now will include people that are interested in a twice a week group. So I'm going to click OK. And now that just cleaned out everyone in the database who is not who is not interested in a 2 times a week group, and that shortened it pretty significantly. Down to, I believe, 128. Look at that. So it sorted it to from 223 records down to 128. So I basically just cut out 100 people, the 100 entries that were not interested in twice a week groups. Okay, so I am an Eastern time zone person. So let's say that, I'm not actually, but let's say that I was an Eastern time zone person. So I'm going to click on the availability in the Eastern time zone group. And now I'm going to select everybody who is on the 2 days that I want. So let's say I want to build a 2 days a week group. We said that for this example, we're doing a twice a week group, Tuesday, Thursday. So now I'm just going to deselect all the groups that are not meeting on Tuesday and Thursday. So this is Friday, Saturday. Nope. This is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Nope. That doesn't work for us. This is Friday, Sunday. Nope. That doesn't work for us either. Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Nope, that doesn't work for us either. Monday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Nope, that doesn't work for us either. Okay, now we're getting into the Tuesdays. So we've got Tuesday. This one doesn't have Thursday. We want a Thursday group. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. That's okay. That works. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. That one groups. We'll keep that one. Here's a Tuesday, Thursday. There's a Tuesday, Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, no Thursday in this one, so we'll deselect that one. Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, Wednesday, Saturday. Okay, so these next two aren't going to work either. And then we just keep scrolling down the list and deselecting everything that does not have at least Thursday. These next four look like they have Thursday. This one does not. 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 And continuing down the list. Nope. Nope. Yes. And nope. Yes, 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 yes. And the rest of these are no, because they don't have Tuesday. Okay. So now once I've deselected those, okay, I click OK. Now, boom. Here's a list of, what is this? So here's a list of 35 people, and some of them are duplicate. Like you can see here, here's a duplicate. So it's slightly less than 35 people, maybe about 30 people, who who are willing to join a twice-a-week group, and they have available in the Eastern Standard EST evening time of on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I could at this point start reaching out in game to these people to see if they are interested in joining my group. And if I need more information about them, I can see what roles they're interested in playing. I can see I can read their comments, and which will often have like their experience level or things along those lines. And that is essentially how you kind of start building your networking to find the people that you want to raid with. So hopefully this was helpful. And if anyone has any questions, you can DM me at any time. And if anybody wants a copy of the database, DM to them updated, you can DM me at any time. And that's all I got.